Top 30 Ways to Know for Sure a Guy Secretly Likes You Part 1. Confused whether your guy secretly likes you or not? Here are the top 30 ways for you to know for sure if your guy secretly likes you. Decoding the guy crush. It is always tricky to figure out if a guy secretly likes you. Guys are pretty bad with expressing their true feelings. It is not easy for them to express how they feel when compared to girls. So, it becomes your job to try and decode his feelings for you. It is kind of annoying though, but as we all know, men will be men. You need to understand the fact that not all guys are really good with words. Most of them are worried things could go wrong and that they might even miss the moments they have with you right now. So, the burden falls onto you to clear up the air. There are few signs that a guy leaves unconsciously when he is around you. Along with your natural instincts guiding you, make sure to look for these signs to know if he secretly likes you. 1. Eye contact. Eye contact plays a major role when it comes to decoding his sign language. If he really likes you, the key to his secret is in his eyes. You might feel that he is constantly checking on you, or you might find yourself in his prolonged gazes. He might never be the first one to break eye contact with you, rather he would wait till you look away. If you notice these habits in your guy, chances are he is into you. 2. Watch your guy's body language. Make sure to notice your guy's body language, the way he carries himself around you. If a guy is all angled towards you, even when you are with a group, it is a good sign. Not only his eyes, you might notice his face, hips, and toes all pointing towards you even when you are at a distance. If you see that happening on a regular basis, you are in luck, he is interested in you. 3. His interaction with other girls. Guys might be hard to decode at times, they might be sending mixed signals especially when they are around other girls. Your guy might act over-friendly with other girls when you are around just to check whether you are jealous or upset. He will constantly be checking on you for your reactions just to make sure if you like him. On the other hand, shy guys might ignore having a conversation with other girls when you are around. They do this to make you understand that you are his priority and nobody else matters. 4. Your guy tries to be funny. If he likes you. When a guy likes you, he would be ready to do anything to bring a smile to your face. It means a lot to him to see you happy. Whether you are in a group or spending some alone time, all he would want is to keep you happy. He might try to cheer you up when you are really upset. If you notice this behavior coming from him only with you and not with any other girls, he is probably interested in you. 5. Will respond over text immediately. If he likes you in the midst of his busy schedule, if he still finds the time to reply to you over text, you can definitely count on him. You'll probably feel that you are connected through text a lot more when compared to his other friends. For a shy guy, it's easier to get to know your everyday life over text. If a guy secretly likes you, he might want all his conversations without to never end. It will always be long, because even though it might make no sense, he would come up with something talk about which seems to last forever and would be interesting as well. 6. Interested in your personal life. When a guy likes you, he would be more interested in your personal life as well. He wants to know more about you and to be transparent with you. He might be keen to know about your personal everyday life, your interests, your likes and dislikes, because only by knowing this can he be creative and impress you. 7. Gets nervous around you. The noticeable tense feeling when he is around you is a sign that he is fond of you. He might get anxious as he might be trying to strike a good impression. His nervousness around you will make it obvious that he likes you. This shaky feeling around you happens especially if you have not known each other for a long time. 8. Stares at you a lot. You might find him turning away from you when you catch him staring at you. He might be checking you out if he likes you. If you find him glancing at you regularly, probably he is fascinated by you. Even for a shy guy, there would be a large number of quick glances at you. 9. Wanting to be around you. If he likes you, it is human nature to want to be around the people we are interested in. No matter if he is a shy guy or a regular guy, he will want to spend time with you and will jump at the slightest possibility to do so. If these situations happen on a regular basis, then chances are he is interested in you. But if this happens occasionally, then probably he is just looking at you as a good friend and nothing more. So, be sure to observe if it happens frequently or just happens once in a while, as this will help you to understand him better. 10. Interested to know your relationship status. Your guy will want to know your relationship status. So, he might ask questions about your boyfriend, or he might be keen to know if you are crushing on any other guy. If these sounds like your recent conversations with him, then chances are he likes you as more than a friend. 11. Not confident enough to talk in person. You might be under the impression that he is very friendly over text when compared to in person. Being companionable over text might make him feel confident, but when he faces you he might feel doubtful. 12. Stalking you on social media. If he likes you, he would be in connection with all your social media accounts, just to know you better. It is out of interest that he has to know your everyday routine, your friends, etc. There is no better way to get to know someone more than social media. Check on him. If he initiates conversation with you in social media when you get online, this is a sign. Guys don't go around starting conversations with girls they don't like. So, this is a clue that he might be into you. 13. Even minor changes never go unseen. He is never short of compliments for you. He is full of positive feedback when he is around you. Even a slight difference in your look never escapes his sight. This is a hard to miss sign, as even a shy guy would be ready to charm you with his admiration. 14. Your guy tries to ignore you. Guys love to play the hard to get game because it makes them look appealing. At least, that's what they believe it does to them. So, they hope by trying to ignore you when you are around them they could gain your attention. By trying to ignore you, he is secretly conveying the reality that he is into you. If your guy is a shy guy, he would try to show disinterest towards you, because it would be an easier way of expression for him. However, if a guy constantly ignores you, chances are he absolutely hates you. But when ignoring you happens along with the other signs, it is to be noted as a good sign. 15. Your guy is a good listener. If he likes you when your guy gives you his undivided attention, giving you his time is a major giveaway that he secretly likes you. Being a good listener means he is trying to understand your perspective of life to get to know you better. Guys are generally very bad listeners, but if he is an anxious listener, you are in luck. He would focus completely on you. He would not check on his phone even while listening to you. His first concern will only be to listen to what you have to say. That's a wonderful indication that he is interested in you.